a high wind warning is in effect. Currently in our area, 50 degrees with light rain. This afternoon, rain showers along with windy conditions. High 53. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Tonight, rain and wind. Low 46. Rainfall around 1/4 inch. Here's our 7-day outlook.
We know they're a great value, but to see if Malto-Meal cereal tastes as good as they claim, we have assembled a panel of experts. Spoons are up, they are mid-crunch, and full thumbs!
Find Kung Fu Panda 3 specially marked cereal in stores now.
After a prolonged hiatus, the legend returns. It's Dave! Back to Life Tour 2016. He's got car insurance and he knows how to use it. See him again live. Getting pizza, at work, bowling, at the airport, getting a new wingman. But not at Cheryl's house because they broke up. He's with Monique now. It's Dave back on the road thanks to Safe Auto. To see Dave live and in person, drive, don't walk for about $3 a day. Safe Auto, call, click, and enjoy the road ahead.
This winter, whatever you step on outside of your car is sure to find its way inside. From Chicago to Seattle.